Hello, welcome back. Oh, yeah.
Sorry. You have to redo your vlog.
That's fine, dude. It's fine. No worries, John. Don't even worry about it. I'll do it right here.
Damn, bro, I don't know where that clamp went.
What's up, everybody? How's it going? It's Benny here with
It's John Orr. Where's the thing?
I don't know.
I'm looking for the camera. Let me go
So
inside and get it off the other motor. It won't take a while.
huh?
Oh, you
The other motor?
I'm gonna get the other clamp. I don't know where the other clamp is.
I'll just wait for you here because I'm gonna.
You gonna talk to me?
Yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys. I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you. You're right there. Yeah, I need to talk with you. Nah, but basically, John got the fluids and the hoses that we needed to finish this thing up, wrap it up. We didn't get it done yesterday. We were limited on time, so we weren't able to do it. But that's fine. No rush because we got everything connected. We just need to do exhaust, hose that we're doing right now actually, clutch, oil change, and coolant. So other than that, everything else is good. We just need to connect back these upper control arms, tie rods, and exhaust, and that's about it. So I don't know. Maybe it's not 100% sure it could finish tonight by midnight latest. Who knows? If not, tomorrow he'll finish it up probably alone. We'll see. Set up and ready to go. We am Honda. You already know. How you do it? Put that oil in, bitch. Do what you're told. I'm just kidding. Damn, dude, it's some clean ass fucking oil.
I know, right?
I kind of want to drink it. Think it'll do any harm to me?
No. I heard it's good protein.
We're about to do this. Clutch.
It's slipping, huh? WD-40.
Which way are you going?
Lefty, right towards me.
Because I feel like it's stripped. Oh, it's not gonna fit because it's like, it's too short now. The socket. You don't have a 7 or 8 or something? Alright, here we go. No?
Yeah, it's leaking.
Hold on. Is it doing it?
Yeah,
How's this side doing?
it's not really moved yet.
This thing isn't stiff at all. Like it's not retracting.
Like just,
Like that.
huh?
Just like a that. Do it again. Do it again. Okay, good. Good. Oh shit. The iPhone's recording in orange. What the?
Is it because it's dark?
No. Alright, I'm gonna record it like that for a little bit. It's really tight. Okay.
Alright,
Alright, go.
I'll watch from the top. Leaking, huh?
No, I didn't see nothing go through.
What's that on the side?
Is that it right there? Hold on, let me clean it off. Because I think the funnel had so it kind of confused me.
What?
Go on. Hold on. Stop.
No, it's done. This is gonna take forever, dog.
We gotta let air go through, so hold on. I'm gonna have Stop. Whoa. Jeez. This is all bad, dude. Okay, give me this. I guess you want to try to crimp that? Heat it up and crimp it. That you're gonna be able to put more. So me and John were trying to fill up the transmission through the what I know what it is. It's through the dipstick for the transmission. I was like, this thing has to have a fill plug. So ends up being the fill plug ends up being that one right there. So we gotta make some kind of contraption so we can fill it in there. So what do? Let me show you. We make this thing right here. Funnel, duct tape, some kind of hose. Hey, but it worked, alright? This might be some ghetto ass shit, but it worked.
Look for the
Boy, you got the cooling in there. Are you ready? Hold on. Let me make sure everything's out of the way. Okay, go. Check. Fuck John. Uh-oh. Huh?
Keep going?
Yeah, keep going. You got it, too? Keep going. You have gas?
Yeah.
Alright, we with the orange light again. But anyways, so me and John kind of were running into a little issue. Basically, this thing right here, I think it might be broken. This one right here. It's a oil pressure regulator, right? And
I think so, yeah.
and then we also missing got two hoses right here. One goes here and the other one goes right there. We just don't know which one goes where. So we're trying to figure out the whole thing. The two hoses are here. This one comes from this black box and it's right here. I'm thinking this one goes to that one. And then this other one that comes from the injector line goes to that one.
You're okay, baby.
But I don't know. We're trying to figure it out right now. We're going to look up some diagrams and see what's up. But yeah, that's the current situation.
There's this one from here. From right here. This one right here that I'm pulling on is this line right here, I believe.
The valve you were talking about that's behind?
Yeah.
Yeah, it goes over there.
Goes on that?
Yeah.
And then there's another hose. That one goes up to the pole.
System.
Okay.
There's this one.
Oh, see, that's from that little black box in the back of the motor. Let me get under there. I'll show you.
No, that's the one I'm telling him. Like,
That's
that's the
one
little
we
nipple
were
sticking
trying to
out.
figure out too, Nando. So it's
And then there's a hose that goes to some like little square-looking black box, like mounted
that's
to the
one
motor.
Me and Nando.
The moment of truth. The moment
what
of
up?
truth.
No, never mind. Just go ahead. Like. No.
It's the moment of truth.
Ready?
Go. Why'd you turn it off?
Why'd you turn it off?
Oh,
What?
I thought it was. It's the exhaust hitting, huh?
What?
You hear
Just turn it.
It's the exhaust. That's what I was freaking out about. See how it's idling all crazy? Like 3,000?
Why is doing that? Your car's in gear, bro.
It is?
Yeah. Your shift link is not connected. And watch, turn it on.
Oh, because it's.
No, turn it on.
Well, I don't want to keep turning it on, but explain it.
Turn it on. Look at this. Turn it on.
Holy shit.
So pretty much you're driving the car. That's why it's
Yeah,
the idle.
your car's in gear.
Your car's in gear. Your axles, they're spinning. It's in gear.
So you need to put the shift linkage back on to take it out
put
of
in
gear.
neutral,
Put it in
and then it
neutral.
will idle like it's supposed to.
No, that shit spun like crazy.
I noticed it because I saw the whole knuckle. Like, why does he keep moving and fucking just?
Okay, basically what's going on is John was turning on the car. Jar was turning on the car, and it was we're assuming it's in gear because the knuckles would start spinning like crazy, as you guys just saw. Fernando pointed it out, and so John was kind of freaking out, but I think the car was in gear, so we don't have the shift linkage on. So I think Fernando just did it manually. He
Try it.
put it in neutral, so we'll see.
3,500.
Didn't spin as
It
fast.
didn't spin though, so it was in gear.
I guess you're probably just gonna have to wait. You really can't do much because you
Yeah.
can't turn on the car.
Yeah, we're gonna have to turn it on.
We're done for today. Got the engine started. You just can't turn it on and leave it running because it's too loud.
Whose watch is that?
Sean's. But anyways, that's it for that. We'll see when he gets it moving actually. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one. Everybody say bye.
Yeah, turn it off over there. See a little lever?
All right. Fuck you guys. Bye. Not you guys.